Okay, day 16 of 30 moves to 30K, your first deal system. And today we're talking about agreeing on a price with your contractors before they start. This is critical. And there's a couple of pieces to this. One, make sure you get line item quotes. If a contractor is not going to give you a line item quote, I'm not going to say it can't work because it can, but you just leave a lot of things open for future disappointment later. And I've just seen it so many times that I've just learned get a line item quote. Just go ahead and handle it up front. And here's the beautiful thing. If you get a line item quote up front, you can compare it to your scope of work and make sure that it actually covers everything. You'd be amazed at how many things get left off when you don't have a line item quote, or, oh, you meant to do this. Oh, well, that'll be extra. And, oh, well, that's all. I didn't understand. A line item quote just solves so many potential issues up front. And when you get that line item quote, then it becomes a lot easier to agree to a price. You might see some things in a line item quote, be like, you know what, I don't want to pay for that. It's kind of expensive. Maybe we don't have to do that. Whereas in a general quote, you're not going to get that. So, a huge part about agreeing to a price before contractors start that makes sense is to actually have that line item quote so that you can actually make sure that it makes sense rather than just, it's almost like a handshake otherwise, which again, I'm not going to say it can't work, it has, but I see so many times and have experienced it firsthand where we take a little bit more of a general approach to quoting, and then when the work gets done, it's like, well, what is this? What is that? Oh, yeah. Or if you need, or you're expecting A, B, C, but they really were just going to do A and B. And oh, C and D, that's extra. Well, right. And the misinterpretations just increase 100-fold. So get a line item quote so that you can agree to price at the beginning, manipulate the different things you want to do versus don't want to do so that you actually get what you really want and make sure everyone's happy with the numbers, and then you can execute it. It will save you a ton of trouble. It'll save your contractor, quite frankly, a ton of trouble. And a lot of contractors may not want to put the effort in up front for something they're not sure they're going to get. But here's the thing, because most contractors won't do it, the ones that do, you already know they're more likely to want your business and more likely to work with you to help ensure a successful product, because the message they're communicating is we're willing to work at this up front to earn your business and make sure something happens so you can come to a number that makes sense. So with that, we'll see you in the next video.